Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Teach Kar with Hina. In this video, we are going to discuss about different forces acting on an aeroplane. An airplane is subject to several forces during flight, including lift, weight, thrust, and drag. Lift. Lift is the upward force that opposes the weight of the aircraft and keeps it in the air. Lift is generated by the wings of an airplane as they move through the air, and it is result of differences in the air pressure above and below the wings. Weight. Weight is the force of gravity acting on the airplane, pulling it downwards towards the earth. Weight is determined by the mass of the aircraft and the force of gravity. Thrust. Thrust is the force produced by the airplane's engines that propels the aircraft through the air. Drag. Drag is the aerodynamic force that opposes the forward motion of the airplane and slows it down. Drag is generated by the friction of the air against the surface of the airplane, as well as by the lift produced by the wings. These forces interact with each other and determine the performance and behavior of the airplane during flight. Pilots and engineers must take these forces into account when designing and operating aircraft to ensure safe and efficient flight. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.